G'day guys, and in this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, I'm giving a quick tip about being too general or too specific in your videos. Roll the bumper! G'day guys, my name is Bruce Garrett. I'm the owner of Gingerbeard Media, and in this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, I want to talk about the problems with being either too general or too specific in your videos. So this particular problem can exist in both the scripting and planning side, but also the shooting side of video production as well. And the problem is around being too generic or too specific when you come to record your video. The overall vision for any video production, whether you're shooting it yourself or you've got a professional company in, then the overall vision and the overall objective of your video is to use it for as long as possible, because there is no point in having a video that you use once and then throw away. You've wasted a lot of production time. And to get a better lifetime out of your video, it is important to consider whether the information that you're containing is too generic or too specific. As an example of too specific, if you are looking at a call to action that talks around you need to do something by this summer, this winter, next year, you're starting to put a limitation, a lifespan on the use of that video. At the other end of the spectrum, if you are too general, too generic with your information, then there is no real grab for the viewer to catch on to. So when you are planning your videos, when you're shooting your videos, just have a think about whether you're being too generic, too general with your information, or way too specific. Try and get a balance somewhere in between so that you can get better use from your videos. As ever, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business. If you've got any questions or comments, I would love to hear them. And if you're a business owner who's looking to shoot and use video to market your business, then why not consider joining our Facebook group, How to Shoot Video for Your Business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.